Hello everyone, welcome to Office 365 education page. So this is our Excel lesson number 85. So today we are talking about another chart type, and this is our part 15 of charts learning series. So what is the chart type that we are going to talk about today? And most probably today will be our last topic is about chart types. So it's about combo chart. Combo chart, what is that? Combo, meaning it's a combination of different chart types. So that means using this chart option, we can create two or more data series with having different chart types in a single chart. So you can see here, there is an example. So here we have budgets, actuals, and also variance percentage. And budgets and actuals are as clustered columns and variance percentage as a line chart. So like that, we can create combinations of different chart types in a single chart using combo chart option. Let's see how we can do this. I have some data here. Financial year, budget, actuals, and variance percentage. We are going to present this information using a combo chart. I want to tell you one tip. For the data label, right, don't input the heading. Just remove it. Because if you have the heading for the data label, then combo chart will read the label also as a data series. Therefore, as a tip, don't put the heading to the data label. My recommendation for you is come to the insert and find the combo chart option and don't select from these three options. Click on create custom combo chart option because from that you can select easily what is the chart type you would like to have and also what should be the secondary axis. So budget should be a clustered column. I agree with that. And actual also should be a clustered column. Variance percentage should be a line. But you can see here the line chart is not visible. And it is meaningless if we have the line chart like this. So therefore we can make the line as the secondary axis. You just need to tick variance line and you have to check that. So now you can see the variance line including the secondary axis. Okay, so that's how you can create. Click OK. Now you have your chart, the combo chart. There is another way to do that. You can select somewhere inside the dataset and come to insert, then go to recommended charts. So in the recommended charts, normally the first one is the combo one, the appropriate one. You can see you do not need to do anything. Excel is providing you with everything, including the secondary access, right? Now you can modify this. You can add a chart title, right? And also if you want to show the data label to the line, you can do that, variance percentage, and you can change the other options, the colors and whatever you want to change. But I'm not going to do that. You can do some experiments to learn from your end as well. But I have another lesson coming in the next couple of days. It's about how to modify a chart. Okay, friends, hope this is helpful to you in order to show you different data series in a single chart using different chart types. And it is easy to understand for the people who are who are looking at your chart. Thank you very much for watching this. Hope this is helpful to you. Please feel free to share this video with other colleagues and please like my page, follow my page to have more lessons. Bye for now. God bless you all.